The Orchard Beach Pavilion Restoration is a full renovation of an historic 140,000 square foot bathhouse facility, returning what was once the crown jewel of Pelham Bay Park to its former glory. The city broke ground on the $87 million project in December 2022. The restored pavilion is projected to open in the summer of 2025. The pavilion was envisioned in 1934 by Robert Moses and architect Eimer Embury II. Robert Moses is regarded as one of the most powerful and influential person in the history of New York City and New York State. In its first year, the beach frequently attracted over 100,000 visitors a day in the summer season. Today, October 21, 2024, is gorgeous day in New York City, 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 Celsius. Even on a weekday, a lot of people came to the beach to sunbathe. The restoration will revive the details of the original pavilion, including the distinctive blue terracotta tiles, decorative terrazzo floors, and ornate cast iron metalwork. Known as the Bronx Riviera, Orchard Beach is a highly visited destination for Bronx residents, with an average of 1.6 million visitors during the summer season.